Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I show you have new latest and other kitchen organization video. I hope you like this. Don't forget this like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. So let's see now. Get your kitchen in order. These brilliant organization ideas. Are you tired of cluttered and countertop, messy drawer, and waste time to searching? You aren't still in this video. Well, you show you how to transform to your kitchen into heaven of efficiency and productivity, and from clever storage solution to smart layout. Well, show our top kitchen organization ideas to help you maximize to your space and streamline your workflow and reduce stress and save this time to create a beautiful and functional kitchen. Whether you are a busy home cook or professional chef, these kitchen organization ideas will inspire you to create a kitchen with work for you. So let's get organized and make your kitchen to heart of your home. Kitchen organization and kitchen ideas and organization tip for kitchen makeover. Feel you free customize to it fit on your video and tune on your kitchen improve. I hope you today like this. Here are some possible for a unique kitchen organization and 10 organization hacks to boost and productivity, the ultimate guide and organization to your kitchen cabinets. 5 create ways to use a kitchen card to Iceland and maximizing to your kitchen vertical space tips and ideas to benefits of kitchen pegboard to how to install and use one kitchen drawer organization tips to tricks to clutter and free space how to create a functional kitchen layout expert advice to importance for labeling in kitchen organization and kitchen organization for the all small making the most of all your room, the top kitchen tools and products to need you now, and kitchen organization ideas for a stress-free cooking and experience to benefits for kitchen appliance to garage. I hope you like my video today. Please don't forget this like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.